si Binibining Maganda Riza.
Parang wala naman sa program yun.
Gusto ako ang inyong lingkod. Likod? Sa totoo, pagyamanin ang kaalaman. White? Ikaw? Color white? You mix?
Iyak. Naiyak.
Ganito na ang wala na akong white. Kailangan pa po
Almost there. There.
Sinakal. Ito ay masarap kainin sa almusal. At sa English, ito ay fried rice.
Ciao pa.
As a Filipino,
Nagkarutan yung dalawa. Oh.
by stir-frying of green cooked rice.
Or bakaw.
Yes, as like you said, chow fan.
Chow fan. Yeah. You know, it's important when you make sinanan. It's bakaw. Bakaw in Filipino is kaning lamig. So it's a rice that's a day old. Overnight rice.
Napapagod na si Pugi. Napagod na sa kakano. Hiningal na siya. Oh.
Lamig.
But the word for the day is sinangag.
Is there
Tinatalunan niya lang eh.
yung kaning lamig, pag sinangag mo, kaning init na yun.
Have you tried sinangag? Have you tried sinangag?
Oh, yes, actually. I think difference between sinangag, we have a lot of scallions, but in Filipino, there's a lot of garlic.
There you go. Alright. Wait, thank you very much, Wade. Binibini.